A bridge over 60 meters spanning a river, yet built without a single nail. How can it possibly remain standing? No steel, no machines. So who calculated every wooden joint with such precision? If even one detail were off, could the entire bridge collapse instantly? Why has such a primitive structure survived for hundreds of years through relentless rain and wind? And what transformed it from a dangerous river, crossing into the cultural heart of an entire village? Join us in this video as we uncover the incredible story behind this timeless wooden bridge. Chengyang Wind and Rain Bridge, also known as Chengyang Bridge, is one of the most impressive traditional wooden structures in China. Located in Guangxi and built by the indigenous Dong community, this remarkable 64.4-meter bridge is far more than a simple river crossing. It stands as a lasting symbol of culture, engineering, and community life that has endured through generations. What makes the bridge extraordinary from the very first glance is that it was built entirely without metal or nails. In the modern world where steel and concrete define structural standards, the idea that a river bridge can survive for more than a century using only wood and traditional craftsmanship is astonishing. The entire structure relies on an ancient mortise and tenon joint system where each timber connection is carved and fitted together with near-perfect precision. This exact craftsmanship gives the bridge its remarkable strength, flexibility, and load-bearing durability. The bridge features multiple layered roofs rising above the walkway, creating a design that is both visually striking and highly functional. These roofs protect the timber frame from rain, sun, and seasonal weather, which is exactly why it is known as the Wind and Rain Bridge. Unlike ordinary bridges made only for crossing, Chengyang includes covered corridors, resting spaces, and iconic wooden pavilions, transforming it into a true social space where villagers can pause, talk, rest, and even host community activities. Before the bridge existed, crossing the river was a major challenge for local residents. They depended on small boats and simple methods of transport, all heavily affected by weather conditions. During storms or floods, movement could be completely disrupted and sometimes life-threatening. This made the need for a stable, durable, and safe bridge absolutely essential. What makes Chengyang even more remarkable is that it was not created as a state-funded mega-project. It was built by the Dong community itself, with local people contributing labor, timber, and inherited construction skills. It is a perfect example of traditional community-based engineering, where knowledge was passed down through generations without modern blueprints or machinery. Constructing such a bridge required extraordinary coordination. Every timber beam had to be carefully selected, properly treated, and precisely carved to form flawless joints. If even one connection was misaligned, the integrity of the entire structure could be compromised. That is why the craftsmen needed not only advanced skill, but also deep experience and an intimate understanding of materials and structural behavior. Beyond transportation, the bridge also serves as the cultural center of the community. It hosts daily social interaction, local gatherings, and even traditional festivals. The wooden towers and pavilions are not merely decorative but powerful expressions of Dong architectural identity, featuring elegant proportions and intricate craftsmanship. Economically, Chengyang Wind and Rain Bridge has become an important tourism landmark. Visitors from around the world come to admire its unique construction techniques and timeless architectural beauty. This not only helps preserve and promote local heritage, but also provides stable income opportunities for the surrounding villages. Another fascinating detail is that despite being built primarily from wood, a material naturally vulnerable to weather, the bridge has maintained extraordinary resilience over time. This is partly due to its multi-layer roofing system that shields the main frame, while the mortise and tenon joints allow the structure to subtly expand and contract with environmental changes without breaking apart. Chengyang Wind and Rain Bridge is not just a bridge. It is a living testament to human ingenuity, showing how traditional knowledge-skilled hands and collective effort can create infrastructure that is durable, functional, and culturally profound. In today's world where everything seems to depend on advanced technology and modern materials, the survival of Chengyang stands as a powerful reminder that sometimes the simplest traditional solutions are the true key to long-term sustainability.